washed your chicken and you've dried it off. So listen, we're gonna start with 2 eggs. Put in a little J.O. seasoning. Then I'm coming with a little garlic powder. Check this out. This is a little chicken seasoning. I'm going to show you. Let me show you right now. That's this right here. Stumbled across this in the store out here in Maryland, and this right here is the bomb. You know what I mean? Listen, I gotta admit, there's a lot of different chicken seasonings you can use, you know what I mean, that I like also, but this right here, I like it. So, got another heaping, you know, tablespoon. A little parsley. About a tablespoon. So, and then what we do is we just mix it up. What I'm adding to my flour right now, I'm gonna put 1 cup flour. Now I got my flour in the bowl, and so listen, we already seasoned the chicken, but we're gonna put a little seasoning inside of the flour also. So here, I just do this by sight. You know, I do a little sprinkle. So we're gonna start with a little garlic powder. Just give it a little bit. You gotta have that chicken seasoning. A little basil, a little thyme, just a little bit, and a little rosemary. And then for that magic, just that J.O., you gotta put a little bit of that in there. Now listen, for those of you that's trying to figure out, if you don't have a J.O. seasoning, I'm starting to find out it's something more so catering to like this Maryland, you know, East Coast area. Listen, J.O. and Old Bay, they similar, you know what I mean? But J.O. has his own flavor, you know, his own taste, and Old Bay has its own. So listen, this is about what it looks like. I haven't stirred it yet. Now I'm getting ready to mix it all up. Hey Lyle, I wish you was here, buddy. All right. So we got our flour seasoning. I'm getting ready to add the oil to my pot. I'm getting ready to start heating that. The marinating chicken should be coming out in maybe about 15, 20 minutes. You know what I mean? I start to ensure that my grease is hot. You know what I mean? I like it right around 350 degrees Fahrenheit. So let me get started with that. Okay, I'm starting off with vegetable oil. This is by Wesson. Okay, let's test our oil. Right now I'm looking for 350 degrees. Look at that. Juicy. Look at that crust.